Hey guys, today in my kitchen I am making a Malaysian classic chicken peanut sauté. Whether you want to adventure out into something new or want to try something that is amazing, this video is for you. So stay tuned, welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am cooking. You will need some soy sauce, chicken breasts or chicken thighs. Thighs are better here for their juiciness. 3 or 4 limes, some honey, sesame oil, peanut butter, rice vinegar. Fresh is best, but I am using garlic powder, ginger, and crushed red pepper, and some salt and pepper. So let's begin, shall we? We will begin by marinating our chicken. You need 4/10 of a cup of soy sauce, or roughly about 100 milliliters. Then you will need 3 tablespoons, or just shy of a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now add in 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And if I said lemon, I meant lime. 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. Same goes for honey, 3 teaspoons. If you are using fresh ginger, you will do 3 teaspoons of fresh ginger, or about 3/4 of a teaspoon of grated powdered ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic, but I'll do a tablespoon of powdered here. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake, and some salt and pepper. Now we are just going to seal this and squeeze the air out of it. And we are going to give that a really good mix, and we're going to let that marinate for 8 hours or overnight. If you need to do less time, that's fine, but just know that the flavors will be more developed if you do it overnight. While that marinates overnight, we are just gonna get our sauce ready now so that it'll have a chance to marry all the flavors together. So you need about 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can also use crunchy here. I am using smooth. Now add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and as you can see, we are using similar ingredients. 3 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm going to press and roll on my warmed up lime, and I'm going to get 1.5 tablespoons of juice out of my lime and put it into my dip. Now add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, or 3 cloves of fresh garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger or powdered ginger, or about 3 teaspoons fresh. And then we are going to add a little bit of water to kind of thin it out. And we're going to give this a really good mix until it becomes like a dipping sauce. So as I mix this, just know that you shouldn't refrigerate this because of the peanut butter, because it will harden and you will have to somehow let it come to room temperature or even melt it. Not saying that would be bad, but it's just more convenient if it's ready to go. And just keep mixing till it comes together. See you in the morning. Well, our chicken marinades. If you don't mind, if you can give this a like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really appreciate those that do. It really helps my channel go far, and thank you. A banana. Hello, it's the next day, and what we're going to do is we're going to start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to throw our chicken into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So to check to make sure that your chicken's done, we are just going to poke it halfway down. And if the juices run clear, that's how you know they're done. I wouldn't poke it all the way down because then it kind of goes onto the tray and doesn't come up like it should. So it wouldn't be an okay way to tell if it is done or not. You can also touch it, and if it's nice and firm, you know it's done also. You can serve this with a side salad or any vegetable you want. I'm sure corn would be really good here if you're into that. I am gonna make some green peas, but I won't do that till later as I am not ready to eat this. And see you in a second. And now I'll give this a nice try for you so that you know how it tastes, if it's good. If it's awful, I'll be honest. And let's see. I almost forgot about the sauce. So let's try it with the sauce now. Even better with the sauce, yum. And that is it for this episode. If you think you might like this and don't have a peanut allergy, or you can even switch out the peanut butter for something you're not allergic to, I highly recommend you go try this. It is so good. And until next time, a banana. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. A banana.